So I did it. I finally decided to make this viral pasta. Since it has all of the ingredients I love, I decided to give it a try. You're gonna get some cherry tomatoes, whole garlic, mix them up with some extra virgin olive oil, salt, and pepper. Next, some dry oregano. I also added some thyme and rosemary. Next is the block of feta cheese. Pop that right in the middle and dress it up just like you did the cherry tomatoes and the garlic. Next, add it to a preheated oven at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Next, start your pasta. I'm using my favorite angel hair. Your kitchen will begin to smell so heavenly. When you take it out, listen to the sizzle. I went to 3 different stores and could not find any fresh basil, so I just ended up using some of my dried basil. I was so surprised to see that served with a side salad, this amazingly delicious pasta was able to make 5 hearty servings.